So the way mantswe a neng a tswa ka teng a mang ne le mantswe a botlhoko gore eng hey o mongwe Magdalena re tutu re lokolle ngwana makutulela re itiele re nyaka go bontsha batho ba gore khwaere a sia tutuzile re kgathetse ke batho ba re ke khwaere ya tutu ye ke khwaere ya tutu ye re nyaka go prove a point wa bona so ntho ile ya ntula botlhoko gore most batho ba I take them as my family on the other side ba batla prove a point go bathong for eng point ya eng ke nkile ka bolela ka re ke khwaere ya ka na I didn't mention to anyone hore ke khwaere ya ka eng so a mang a mantsu a ne ba na once a montse re bolela na le botlhoko and by that time I'm away from home we la bona and go botlhoko bjang go ba away from home go tla ka mo na le di family problems ka mo ke shile mama o founa he ke kula ngwana go tla nthola ke tlhokofetse gore o na le mathata and then ka mo ba thoma go stressa then I just left the group ka tswa go group chatting gore go bane le ya WhatsApp because gore no ba go shape 12 a boshiu ntse re phirisana ka ntho e one
Welcome to another episode of Mini Wasione podcast where we document our Sione artists, our Sione music. Today we've got one of our own, Nalemme Duduzile Magudulela. Again, right? Right. Today we will get to know me Duduzile. I, for one, I've always started knowing her ka Scorpion, but I understand that she's been in the music industry for some time now. So this podcast is exactly for that. Or unpack the journey, Chabato Barena, and she's one of our own. Today, Retlo Mutseba Awutzihun. Also, after some long time, up and down, and me I get the word to sana me children I play around it, but it is a privilege to have her now. You know, to have it at this time because also probably weekend probably be after some time again. Inga very message it after some time again. Le picture
re phetse ga botsa ka kwale
awa re ga botsa pela le dumeding ba le lebeletseng go gae
ba dumedi go gae ke le dumedisa wa le dumedisang ke wa lena wa ka mehla Tutuzile Makutulela ke re khotso e ya telefatseng ka bophara
amen. Maduduzile ka ke boletse gore na ke tebele from Scorpion and batho ba re le lena le gale le gone mara first ke nyaka re thome gore lena le tswa le kae because le bolla speed ba le bolla Swati ba re Sendebele ba re ke Sizulu lena le re a engwe le ngwe ke yona
yonke ke ntsepe ya washa
yes ntla se jeng gore a o tsudi ke mang
Tutuzile Makutulela ke ngwana wa goletseng ka mo kerekeng ya Sedumedi ke thomile tsa mmino kgale kwa ka bo 2003 yeah I think 2003 we were ne re tsamaile re le ka leeto la kereke re le ko Mabalastad and then mo ke na go Nomthandazo the late Nomthandazo Magare ba Bshabela na fetsontsha this album ya re ke hweditse Masione a rapela so pina ile re biditse ntse re tla ke hwetse Masione a rapela ra fitla ra reka that CD so a ke reka that CD go mraga yona go na le di phone number then ha ona le di phone number lucky ne le di phone number tsa Ntate Solomoholo ka phone ka re boya mo locationeng ka founela ganti ya kena go Solomoholo ka ra ke nna motho so ke rata tsa mmino so a ke tsebe gore ke thome gae ke ye kae wa bona so ke rekile di CD in khatlile ene motho o na bina mo that city e ko rena kgwatha lengelo ilaka wa bona so and ntate Solomon a ba etsa appointment a re ke tlo mmona ko Soshanguve I didn't know Soshanguve ka namela di-taxi ra ka ya Soshanguve ka fitla Sosha ka kopana le ntate Solomon tate Solomon mo a ra o rata go opela ke re a re nko opele pina A1 ke utlwe gore o ka gona na ka opela gona mo a nkopodisa mo a re yes you've got a voice wa bona so by that time I ke tsebe gore go batlega di-backing vocalists go batlega eng I was just nna tutuzile ngifuna ukucula so a ba re you've got a voice and then ke tla bona gore ke tla o thusa bjang Hwaya ang introduce to Nomthandazo. Nomthandazo ne batlile ba tlo rehearsa they had something. Ha introduce go Nomthandazo a re bona ba ke di backing sa hae. So for now on ke nkarata o bereka le bona gore o tlo gona go tlwaela gore what is what. And then okay ra tsebana mo le Thandi then we became friends le Nomthandazo. Hanti Thandi kwa ko Soweto na I thought lena kwa ko Pretoria hanti kwa ko Soweto a re ntse re communicate mo ntse ke ya ke rehearsa le bona ke etsang then wa fitla mo ileng hore ba tlogana go le go bana le break up between bona le Solomon ba bana le tlhakatlhakano so then Solomon a batla motho o tlo replacing that voice ya Thandi ampitsa ka ya ko studio se seng ko Bramley I think it go like Alexander so hampitsa mo then ka auditiona mo ra auditiona so anna ha ke tswa mo ke tseba ha ke shapile ke passitse mo then it happened a se ba tseya nna on that part ba tseya the lady ke Zoleka o bina tsela di tletse mataira asithanda I think neli Makgarebe asithanda yeah so I was supposed gore ke kene on that part then gwa chincha gwa ba tseya Zoleka no okay it's fine ke life akere hwantse ya Thandi e ba bula another group ya gae a tlohela ba le ba Pretoria ba ne ba Solomon a bula that group another group ko Snake Park ko Pretoria ena leng Bozanele Bontsiki Bontwe ebe ke joina bona hape because neli Makgarebe because ntwe ya bona neli bitso le la Makgarebe a Botjhabela so Solomon na rata Makgarebe ba Botjhabela ke Makgarebe ak so Thandi a re Makgarebe a Botjhabela ke nna wa bona so that's why ule wa bana le that thing so a ka joina group ya ko Soweto ya Bozanele ra le Bontsiki the late Ntsiki a ka bina le bona ra bina go le mna ga ba tlontsha bina bawele ya ne ke na le bona mo so tsatlene ntse re really rehearsaling mo go mnata ke rabina go mnata ke ra rabina go ba le modimo ka mogare a re sa bona nako re binone le Soweto ke gae ha ntse re bina mo nako ya tsamaya ha re tswa mo le re tswile ka mo ko gare ka bo 8 o'clock tshwanetse re namele di-taxi tse yang gae from north re namele taxi yang Binone
o tsamaya le mang
ke tsamaya le Monica Fenyane my friend re namele di-taxi a re fitla north taxi tsa Binone di fedile nako ke 11 o'clock bosiu re go bane ba re ke go sana le mix taxi Uber ne di seo by that time na di meter tax ba ra bo mama singanthatha sinimikise eBinone but sifuni 100 rand per person na go territory ngai fitli 100 rand per person
taxi ke bokae ga nna go
taxi sa o pela rona le bokae
mara 100 rand yana gale na
because it return ho ya Soweto ne re spenda 60 rand a day
le dithugo ba
per person so are 100 rand re a ra itshwara no but ko ntlong ha re fitla re ka bana le yona ba yo hai le ditsotsi ha le fitla ko ntlong motho vele a vela latlhegele ska ba ska mona o kene gae re batla no
la re tsora po
re batla no ya ke mathata no Monica ben re tsa bya hey a re le ko phone re bona re ba ka se re ka se wetse motho re latang no go se le bo 12 o ka se bane motho tlo re latang ai re phone o mone motho ne ke tshepile re tlo nlata na bana le suspect rate ko Mpumalanga ha yo Mpumalanga and ha siyo a ona motho re lata re founele monna wa hae wa Monica ha re mfonela hey sicela uzosilanda kuphi athi nifike kanjani lapho
yo
nifike kanjani le nimikise lapho izanibuyisa
yo
hey ke mathata beno re etsa bya nako o so tla le mahobo gona mo a tla re hey bo mama man funa indawo yokulala singani accommodator
yo kumletsa kae
nahano tlo accommodate ke
wena
le
o snap
hobo
like a robala
nahano tlo accommodate ke le hobo ke re jo Monica mo re pile straight today yo ke re yo wa sa go ka bya ke tsogile eish then go tla this person on my mind that person it was my baby daddy so movile on ke mo phonela ke ra a re ka palla mo a sa tsela a ke mo phonela eish o go guy a ra ke mo police station ke fetso paka koloi eish ke mo north ka nako ka 12 o etsang mo north re tswa ko so wethu ne re lo bina so re feletse ke di taxi re kopa o re late re tle hae a re yo ka nakwe nna ka nako ke tle hae ka nako phela se le matha no so shapile 12 ya matha hai nna ke nna go robala ke kgathetse ke re okay it's fine I lo wena le wena o tshobjalo ke tla re go hae ke tla botsa mama ke tla fonela mama ka hore if anything happened to me ba tse ngwana ba go fe ngwana ya blackmail no so I think that thing ya me hit or yo but ngwana go sa le monyane by that time hai re sa dutse ma go bantsa ba di nitshini bo mama nitshini sana o komare tsana a phone o phone se le ka bo 1 o'clock o yeme ko garage bona ka mo go Joburg a re lekile mo go ka kan game mo garage
ka Joburg le ga le re a le mo Pitori o le go north yes
a re le mi guy ke re ka mo ka ko north a re tlang ka go garage no garage is it a pipi ya e tlang ka mo ke yeme mo re tshaba lo ya ka mo ka mahobo everywhere a re tlang mo nka se tle ka mo go tlhakatlhakane e tlang ka mo garage go ratsa mara fitla go garage wa tswa ke motho mongwe wa manyana o balabala but a thola a re laisha ratsa mara re tlang go laisha ke bo past 1 wa matsa past 1 to 2 ratsa mara bela binone ha re fitla ai tshwanetse ke khape mgekola modimo kwa peke because nna khapile nna ke mkenya ga gae ko ntlong
yena a opel Monica
no wa opela ke mshile ko Scorpion no bina le Scorpion
ke go le rena o be a khapile lena
ga ke nna ne ke le leader
okay
so yena ya so ra re mthole ntata ko ntlong baba sibuile eng a re thula re lebella fela hai Monica ngwana ba tla bonana ka usana ha ke boela ba yo dropa nna gore ke tshwile gore ke amitse gore o tlo ratha a o manye kwa bona a tsosele di what then azanga bulele a thola itse ha se tlo fologa a re what's working I know wa rata mmino ka pele ha ka ofela but your safety comes first a re bona ntho le entseng today it's a risk it was between life and death na hanela bana ba lona le na le bana ba banyane le ba shileng so if mmino o berekele o tlo boya ka nako e boshiu nna ke le wena nka dula ngwana ha o tlo sala lema o tlo shia ngwana a sala monyane.
And you know what is even funny because I'm waiting for you to say ke founetse one of the people ro pelang le bona why because o bola nnete because why the people le pelang le bona is number 1 on the list of the people to say Rishengai.
Yo.
because those should be the people who understand sinjore ba ishe gae batho ba gare ba tletse mo foeng.
The person o ne re level re yo berka le yena kwa. Phone ha ne se itimile azanga ba tlo tseba gore tsamaile byang go etsagalang one there was only one ngwana o ne re bolela le yena ke Zanele Nquka. Zanele ke na phone ni go jigani le tlo robalang mo gae wa bona ke ena motho na re khothaletse gore o bona gore tsamaile byang motho ne re le ko yena phone ha it was off so le re fitla Zanele ke no phone se le o seng Zanele ke no phone tsing gore le byang le tsamaile byang le shapo wa bona and ya gore re tlo jiga ro robala kwa bona re ka se kgona because of Monica o na le bana tshwantse ba ye sekolong seng a ke re ke garabeke o na le bana tshwantse ba yeng sekolong seng le nna ke na le crèche that time ke na le crèche go na le ngwana o fitlang ka 6 o'clock ko crèche o seng so ha ke tlo boela kwa go fitlana ko mang ha se ke boyo e bona that is why re gapeletse gore re be re tsamaye
mara music lo udiela as he is rightfully asking lo udiela music at that time what is your aim when go nya go tsena music aim ya go beleng
music as ke re ke motho o le gore ke kgale ke opela from le ko kerekeng ha ke ya ka 14 years ne ke bina di-clap and tap choir gore le ko kerekeng ba kereke mmogo le ena ba nkgothatsa mara why o sa record le wena leng eng mmino ne ntse ke o rata kore ke rata kore ne re ha ke opela ke bona people the way ne ba fila ka teng ko kerekeng gore ke kgone ba fodisa ke nagana gore le ka montle mo ka voice e modimo a nkadimileng yone nka kgone go fodisa le batho
also be se nya ke tšhelete lena at that time mmino
no
ga re ba ke ka nna ba tsa tšhelete ba tšhelete ga nna ga nne re nya ka re le noši a le nya tšhelete ga ne le gospel artist ka o mo le mongwe I'm just doing it for the love why
tšhelete a ona motho o sa nyakeng tšhelete tšhelete ka ofela ra e rata
mara wa e lena mo our artist le re ga le nya ke tšhelete goba le a re fora
no a re le fore tšhelete ha ile gore e tlatla e tla be le di-blessing from God e tla be tlile by that time but the aim ya gore maybe o batla tšhelete o kitimisitse tšhelete o tlo phakisa because a challenge e tlo kopanang le yone ya tšhelete o tlo vele o fele maatla because of a eyo tšhelete
a re bolele so le a bereka
ke a bereka
le tsena forogo le a tsogela mmerekong a re kitimiša tšhelete mola wa ela re kitimiša intentionally mara ka mo wa tseba why I am asking this because we are complaining gore mmino wa rena a o dire tšhelete but then maybe it's because re ga re nyake tšhelete because ge o nyaka tšhelete ko mmerekong ge o bona kare e o e golang ke nyane you know gore what you need to do gore e oketsege a kere you know gore if ke nyaka go kry a promotion this is what I should be targeting to be doing mara ka mo gore na o ka re na re nyake tšhelete ge tšhelete e sa tle mare re a makala mara where else and where the Bible e bolela gore say what you say with your mouth it shall be so why ge tšhelete sa tle re makala mara re boditše modimo gore aowa na re nyaka go dira go fodiša batho is that not maybe the reason why tšhelete is tle because we are not being intentional about wanting it and intentional is positioning ourselves in a way e le goreng the sponsor di tla tla go rena tša responsor re di tšhelete batho ba tla reka because no o ka tla go potšela ke nyaka tšhelete wa šole ke reke CD ya gago mara wa le bolela gore ga le dire music for tšhelete then
no a ona go bolela nnete a ona motho o sa nyakeng tšhelete because re tsoga every day ra bereka because of re batla tšhelete le gona music o go tlo o etse le wena o batla tšhelete gore o tlo o etse tšhelete but ga ngata nna a ke tse gore nna tšhelete ke a e nyaka ne but a ke ko mminong a se ntho e le goreng ke ikentse gore ke e nyaka wa bona ha e tlile
a ego
a yona ya ne le teng ka nako tsele no a
is it not because no le bona a ego because I don't think but personally le joyous le was spirit of praise will say a re nyake tšhelete they are in it for money even though yes there is gospel and that's why sometimes ba complain ga ba re patele because what ba nyaka tšhelete is it not because le nna le a bona gore tšhelete ya mme gore ga re nyake mara botsera e nyake gore ayo o tla nyaka goma o tsone le go le ka mogae o re ke nyaka pizza tšhelete se gona o tla nyaka goma is it not because maybe le a bona gore ga e go maybe
yone a eyo but you need to prepare yourself gore sometimes e ka ba pop sometimes e ka ba fail so how ka focusa ko gore o nyaka yona gagolo mo e failang teng which means you tlo give up wa e latla that thing so sometimes some of the people we are doing this because mo gong re ke calling ba bangwe re ke calling gore re etse even though because re batho we need to survive and gore o survive o tlhokang tšhelete so but ha o ka kenya yona gagolo mo tlhaloganyo wa kitimisa yona gagolo o tlo ra fitlha mo le o chaisa and then wa bona gore a imperekele ntwe o buela morago gantsi ba bangwe batho ko ntle ba fola ka wena batho ko ntle ba sokologa ka wena gore wa etsa tšhelete gore a o etse somewhere somehow o toucha maphelo a batho wa e bona so that is why maybe go gongwe re sa give up le re sa ithole but at least re na le ntlantlanyana gore go na le mo re topang teng wa e bona it's not like hona ntho ke tjong sometimes ha o bolela so ba mabana kare maybe wena wa thoma because of wena wa bereka mara go bolela nnete truly speaking how the artist manje you need to have a job
ne
yeah you want survive ka music
re ibijang ka gore you have a job then ele re ibijang a se ta hasele ka gore a go hasele re ibijang
ke tla ke it's a hobby to calling
o so le after mereko ke kitima ke beta ke jogger ene gore ke ya bolo maybe it's all like after miracle after ke se miracle ke re ke bolo ke no ke re ke nela exercise fela go Mara nna ntho e ngware shango gore many of our artists ba re ga ba e nyaka ba re we are not in it for money. Maybe that is where, because now o bolla gore o chaisa go o fetsa go recorda o sa go tšhelete, you can either give up. Re go for example ka mmerekong ge mmerekong o bona gore ga ba go patile ga botse, you can either give up or find a way to improve salary ya gago.
Yeah.
I get it. Because I go thabiša because you know you want money. Jalo ka mo mminong o sa go tšhelete, instead of giving up, our people ga ba give up again because ga ba tšhelete, they just give us standard suffers because I only motivation we le goreng, let's say, because I'm not getting tšhelete, what can I do to elevate what I'm providing? Maybe it can, if I do it this way, it can patch that. Maybe if the money was the motivation, not to say gore like tšhelete le tla ba as se sa ba boledi tla ba la fetša le tšhelete tša madi.
Wa e bona?
Mara maybe ska ra nyake tšhelete re e nyake ka
Ha hona motho o sa
music
nyakeng
e ka tla re ka se gana nna batho modimo nna ka mo
a ke batla ke
ke
dikgopana merapelo.
or maybe ke yona velta ba gore maybe ra bona ra ego o no re ga ra ego re ke no tša tšhelete because le tša tšhelete ya ka gae le gona
Re tsa tšhelete bana.
ya fetša le go rekoda ka yona ya no ba kgotso ya no ba gore ke kgotso aowa ile ya fetša re le roge
Ne la roroga yona.
ntse o tšere tšhelete ya gago o rekotile ka yona
Le ka tšhelete ya ka,
Ro-
So
ro- gore,
sometimes ke re okay, enye into mawuyenza kusuke kuwubizo lwakho ukuthi kumele wenze something like wenze lento le, because mawulandela ubizo lakho awethethi nna fela awethethi maybe kontlong fela there are people somewhere somehow ka dipina tsa hao ba fola moyeng. There are people ka montle bale ha ba utlwa wena o opela, maybe wa bina pina so wena o shebile situation e ke shebaneng le yona ka nako eo, gantse go na le motho o mongwe o leng ka hara situation eo e le gore maybe yena itlo mmerekela that thing. For example, go na le pina nkile ka etsa ya re ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela. That song kile ka etsa ke na le Alex Rapetswa. Alex Rapetswa na tlhaga from Rustenburg a tlo batla mmereko ka mo Gauteng. So I didn't know Alex re kopane go tsona tsetsa mmino e nele manager ya Moleseng. So Alex I accommodator for 3 months gaka ke dula le yena Alex antsa azama mo ke geretsa that song ya ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela. So ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela nkaibina nna eziduduzile le nna ke shebile situation e ke shebaneng le yona le Alex a shebileng situation re etsa that thing. It didn't happen to me fela the situation e ke shebile gone bona gore ko yena no o tsamaile gone o ile ebile gore o ile
mo minong ga se
ebile mo minong wa bona re mola tšhelete so no wa bona gore that thing ile ya toucha yena ha etsa ngare mata etsa 1 2 3 wena o tla kenya because wena o mzulu kenya 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ile ya sebeletsa yena ya msebeletsa and officially nna mo ke tswang teng le bana baka ya ba sebeletsa that thing. My son always say, you know mama mawucula lengoma le ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela bowungaculeli mhlambe wena kuphela mhlambe impumelelo yakho izoba ngakimi ibe ngakimi ngumntwana wakho wayibona.
So there might be some time it's just about the message. Relay the message. Sky expect anything in return. Modimo tla for 9 to 5 ya gago o tle dia tšhelete go o fetse bitse o record ka yona se bonyanenyana bo o khwetsa mo. Our khotsong gang, we hope you are enjoying the episode. Re leba gudu for you staying with us and watching the episode up until this point. Let's go subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. What other projects did you work on? Lebotandi.
Wa bona tsatsi le re batlile re shwa ya ba ke mafelelo a ka go ya go
o kule message wela ga ba bolla gore
your safety come first. Ya ba gore ka dula, I think it was 2005 that time. Ka dula ka 2008 ka emella gape. So mo ka bana le sponsor e le rangwana ka from Talani Attorneys a re no ke tlo patalla studio wa etsang wa recorda wa etsa ntho e batlang ho etsa because ke a bona hore this thing wa e rata. So the way ne ke rata ka teng gore ne ke ko hae ntate mogolo ka na re ha ile mogolong na reka di TDK cassette or go bula di TDK a nrekele yone ka ha ne ke birthday ya ba ile ba nrekela tape recorder ya Graham. So ke recorda ko yona ke recorda ko di cassetteng tse ke bina ka yona gore wa bona ke lakatsa gore tsatsi le leng ke etsang. So ka 2008 and ntate mogolo ka rata gore ngwana ka gore ke tlabe ka house record mara ngwana ke re ntho engwe le engwe e na le nako tata mohlomong nako a e so fitlhe e tla fitlha ka 2008 ka recorda ka thola studio se sengwe ko Pretoria. Producer ya ka mo ne tlo ba Fasi Eliud Molokomme. Fasi ra kena ko studiong seo ra recorda ra patala ditšhelete ke di-deposit accounting ya hae ka patala everything itse o tshwanetse e tswe that CD eo ba re computer e crashed
a ba refund jwale
a ban refund till today ha ke bala di-cost tsa teng a ka tlo expose batho
mara jwale because mara
a se bang refund ha re bala and then ba re crashitse moshimane teng ba re neng mang costo a move hona mo a ya ko Pretoria ko gare a se tlhole a tsebana le a tlholagala mo Pretoria, but the only person ne ke communicator le ena ne ke kenya tšhelete ko ena it was Fasi. So a ba re Fasi okay so le mogolo sa butse studio se sengwe ko social movie ke tle mo re thomele Fasi that project o tla meet halfway ke ntshe 3000 re tswelle pele ha
cost jam mathomo di bedlo kae
cost mathomo the studios nearly 5000 so highly 5000 and also how le ko studio mo whoever omtholang mo wena o tlo recordang lunch is on you everything is on you nako ka re batla ntho e batlang
o nyaka cassette
ke nyonya ka CD ke di bona tsa ditšhelete and ne ke tlile le batho ba ne ke opela le bona from the location go re tsamaya wa bona beke ya barkeng mashangane beke sorry wa batlang god mara ba se konze kai wa tswa go konze kai re nako re fagile bushwa ka mogare re ntse scaftini a re fitla batho ba tlileng bona ke mashahedi wa bona a bona ampatlela batho from ba bona I had to ke ba patale batho for the session ka ba patala ra etsa ha o re feditse computer crashes gore ha re bala di expenses tsa teng di outfit and everything tsa teng di fitla ko 18000 and a ka thola refund mo wa bona ke mang go na le comment le ngse ngare marikana ke le yang hlasela sa memo marikana I think ile ya lika out gore nna le Fasi ra kolotana on kolota tšhelete so then ba hlasela o mong go na le ile nga itlhagisa mo we bona then wa tlhagisa mo re hai naratana le yena o shore naratana le yena a re bala le yena go etsang a go bereke ga now she's trying to expose him what por ga bana le tlhakatlhakano mo we bona so anybody le mo ne I was thinking of going to king konje ne lata di kolota speak out yeah ne se ke na no ya speak out na wa ke na no ya speak out go tlaga like ausa ha yo relative ha o dula gaufi le rona ka mole a tla a re ngwana go gae go tlile gore bone le ko Facebook gore gwalwa niwa so re kereke A1 so le tlo ikutlwa bjang le bana ba kereke A1 le lwantshana ka ditšhelete on national TV we bona
e bana go re beseleya
be se re and the person on finance ke lawyer re ye ko yena a so ha ya mmitse re ko yena go saenwe Fasi gore tlo mpatala bjang hanyane a sanka gona go etsa taba eo but karetse itse motho enene tšhelete ka ke rene ke fanda ke talana Tonis so itse ke bona yena e le yena o ke tla re o etsa bjang o tsebang gore this is business or will to do this is business go business thing is either we win or we lose. So we have to accept what we lost this time.
Yes.
So let's move on. So highly motho ntse tšhelete o bang positive
Ene na re
bjalo.
so,
Because ke ena nna ke tsogetse gore ko mo patala ka nna ha ka re ke batla go nna ke tlo itseya kae. So highly yena o understanding gore it's either we win or we lose. So we must accept or no, we lost. Then life goes on. Ya tlhale re sana kwa re exposeana re tsang re tlo benefitang and o tlo ba ka re o batlo kena industry because of o boletse motho o mong gampe gore batho ba rate wena or what. So let's leave it like that and then ra itlogela ele bjalo till today re tlogetse but ke experience e le gore ke le ka tlhakana le yona mo.
mara le tshibela le abuti fasijo le right no
Re right
le lebetse bygones are bygones.
Yeah, mara ka se lebale tšhelete ke sera sa bophelo ka se lebale le re bonana nje even though how a ke mmona ena sometimes o na le gore ke a mo dumedisa pila ke
Mara le sana kana
le kae
mara 18,000 ya ke kae
tšhelete ka kae wa e bona. So but anyway le ena ke ya ka mona gore le ena
e be se matsoga
ne se matsogong a gae le ena a ka se kgone the way by the look of things a ka se kgone go ipatala tšhelete eo. So I had to accept it and move on ka life. So ke amogetse though e bile botlhoko ke amogetse and ebile le 18,000 wa bona gore manje nka etsa something ka yona
ka di album
ka etsa album etsa le music video wa bona but ke tla reng it happened okwenzekile bathi kufana nokudaliwe ngesizulu.
then la ya are suggest gore le go
ko so moholo a re ke ntshe another 3,000 re tlo mpitsa re etse hape. He never called me.
aslenje mara 3,000
sale ke ntsha nna 3,000 yena zanga sa imit halfway. He never called me. I get everything ke patala into his account. So I think it was 2008 by that time. God
ewe e tswa le ena ewe 3,000 ewe
ya ne tswa kona anya ke sa bolela ko tala nore ba re ntse tla re a ganda go bona gore batho ba o dia style
ba o dieswa gape
tla re wa bona ke ra ile nna re ke gaugantse ya ka ke ntse ke shapa matala site as ka tseba gore handi ke tlo betha fatshape mo le ke dutse mfatsi ke re wa itse gore re ya pala bona ka 2010 yena talane a mpatlela another producer ele Volin Chabeleng. I think la mseba Volin Chabeleng o dlala tsa marimba nene nana le show ko state wetsa tsa marimba ke mzalwane.
Is it a producer as well? Ke producer ke kwale la alenyakela yena
ke producer tlo producer hape. So Volin Chabeleng ya ba yena o producer album ya ka ya mathomo ya tsoka 2010 se fapano. So Volin eli ke mzalwane. So o tlwaetse go dlalela bazalwane. So we dladile that first album eo but azange a idlale the way our style ke re wa tswa rena le style sa rona plus only the ntwene ke thabetse gore final ke kene studio ke ye itswile even though ne sa the way ne ke nyaka ka teng but at least ke testitse metsi gore a bjang ka yona. And then o bona gore motho le o mongwa tšhelete a zanga fele matla le mo gape ke eno ntshitseng tšhelete ya tšhelete ya recording and everything and rekela di sound and everything. He even bought a VW Kumbi I Brenda ya ngwala Tutuzile
bathong
so gore ke tsamaye di promotion and what and then it was released ka 2010 even limo album eo the criticism di dula di teng everywhere in hey why you went so say ke mathoma ke ra ruta. Then we did the second one ra yetsa ko Springs ko Themba ka 2012 le hona Themba lena ne le mzalwane. So I le mzalwane lena o idlala the way I try to ngidlala ka teng mara standard a se so fitli mo le ke batlang teng man
le senyaka ka gan lena
ke senyaka mo clean king ke tla re mo tumi
mara le meshara ka mang
ka Thandi. I was looking up to Thandi
le senyaka mo leveleng
ke senyaka mo because I was looking up to her and ke binele and I know gore ne ba dlala bjang ba ene ke bona so ne sa fitli. So we did it and then there is this guy bareke Mtutuzi ke mzalwane ne na recordile ko Blue Black and ili Triple Z isal Triple Z by that time.
Yes
Mtutuzi ara mari ngiyasizwa le style sakho osicula man kukhona le studio lesi Triple Z la mina ngirekhode khona. I think mangahlangana na this guy angayenza lento oyifunayo. Okay Mduduzi a mpha di-contact tsa ko Triple Z ko Dubi e be ke ya ko teng fitla ko Dubi ya ka e thola ntho e ke e batlang ha ke tlo etsa album ya B3 e reng a ke na pelaelo then mo ke bana le dipina tse ke featureileng mo leseng ko teng e re e leng ke nako le empa jwalo ho fedile that's where ke thotseng what I wanted mo ka di etsa le mo go bona dipolelo gapa ke re itse industry re na le dipolelo
why were dipolelo di shitse morago
a di ntshetse morago and dipolelo ke mabitla yo go tlile bjang o feature mo leseng keng o robetse le yena hape Joel ka seletse motho favor just like that ke re Mluseng to me he's like my younger brother Mluseng ha ke tlo motse ke msebile ha ke sa etsa a ke sa promote album e ke reng ke entse ko Springs so o ile tla ka mo Binoni I think re dutse 2 weeks le yena re tsamaya di-promotion di-dance di-station re promote mo to me he's like my younger brother then a ka re mata ke batlo etsa something like this voice how I think I ka kopana le yaka e ka etsa something e different nyana e be re etsa ke nako ya o rapela mohlanka modimo o fish ba sai batla by that time no sena di online what's what the demand tsa that song di kana maloba bile next abulelena hore mata ke nahana hore ha re ka etsa music video ya pina e ka mkholo ba tlang kana azang ra thola chance hore ke ne online so maybe soon re tlabe re ntse video ya teng hore bose because people they still want that song wa bona e be ra etsa ke nako ra mata wes ba tlo dula ba bolela ba etsang as long nna ke tseba within my heart or that thing it never happened so when nna le wena re thusane as a brother and sister ke mogolo ko yena he's my younger brother
besane slendana na
yo slender se sengwe sa ma catalog nahana
a sa bontsha mongwana
eya wa bona so ka bereka le yena ke Mliseng ke no la ngantsibisa ko Alex ha ke tlo etsa another ka album ya Mliseng ke mo ke kopaneng le Khwathoma this organization ya King Yuga United Unit of Gospel Artists ya thoma ke doc ke mlebetse sifana Asmaisele ke Dr. Morake a re bitsa ko Atteridgeville gore artist kopanang re bereke ke mo ke kopaneng le Mme Matlakala teng I think it was 2013 ke mo kopaneng le Mme Matlakala ko teng ke re wetse Mme Matlakala wetse ha ke gola ntse ba re ke tshwana le wena yo I finally met you my twin wa bona yo le ena re yo ene o bona ra thoma ra tlika from mo le the late Matlakala then from go kopana ha ka lebo then that unit King Yuga e ya tlhogana go gare gwa tswa di group tse tso go bana le Victory of Gospel Artists le Unity of Gospel Artists so re na le bo Matlakala le bo Ntate Choshima Loka ra sala ko Victory of Gospel Artists ke mo ke thoma bona ditsela di thoma go bulega teng Mme Matlakala ya ba motho o ntshwarang ka letsogo gore twin ne re bitsana twin re kena mo re kena Thobela FM re kena Dumisa TV re kena ga hona le gigs tsa Thobela FM kena wileng ke mo mahloka thomlong go bulega teng in the industry ka tsamaya le Ausla ke bjalo ka tsamaya le yena a ntsang kenya mo until a re shia ka 2016 mara ile re o nrutile tse dingata ke rutile tse dingata ko yena and ba re twin ke a bona wa bona industry it's not simple ina le mathata teng ba rena le the speed hump the sharp curves the what but Oscar dilo tse ngata Oscar dinaga ha di etsagala ko wena what I can tell you kore keng iba lie low ka fela tse tsagalang tse tsa eng o di tshole di shebe ile hore ha ile hore le ile hore tse ding di ba botlhoko because of o motho le wena na o bohlungu ya buzwa la emhlabeni a re ba re lie low and then o stay calm nje ntwe engwe leng ina le nako that's what I've learned from her hore ntwe engwe ina le nako so it was difficult go kena ko Thobela FM back then but ka yena ke khonno kena ko Thobela FM since well you see my name ke Tutuzile Makutulela then ke le Tutuzile Makutulela people they don't understand her okay ke Tutuzile Makutulela ke na le background ya Spedi because mama ka ke Mpedi and then Makutulela ke tate wa bona So ha ke fitla go Thobela FM tshwanetse ke tlhalose nna mama ka ke Mopedi o tlhaga ka moga mabitsela gore ke fithe in. So you're trying to fit in wa bona gore ke ngone o mru are ba bo joina tutu rena mmago ke Mopedi o tlhaga ka moga mabitsela in gore ba thoma go nkamogela gore okay even the name and the surname ke tsa Sezulu but ke na le ke le pastor ke le half and half. But you have to tshwanetse o itlhalose eng ba be ba tlhabeka re ba re hey Rudolph why a letsa maZulu ko radio bo Marikana ba re hey maZulu a ye ko Khosi FM a nyakang ko Thobela Marikana ba re hey maZulu a ye ko Khosi FM o kila wa utlwa Winnie Mashaba a bina ko Khosi FM why ba sa ye Khosi FM. Hey, it was difficult by that time. What's what Talana bar ai lwena tlabe ka go tšhintšha lebitso ka Talana tennis.
Yes.
My finance. Are ke tlabe ka go tšhintšha lebitso ka re o Mahlako. Kane ai tutuzile ya gago ka ra ai re berekele mara. He mo feta ke o tshwanetse o tlhalose re aowa ke nna Tutuzile Makutule mara ke tseba bolela Sepedi ke na le ba re ke Tutuzile Makutule. So you have to explain or okay ke Tutuzile Makutulele okay ke ameswati pila but ke buswati ngikhuluma isiZulu ngoba mangapha ekhaya ngiyakhuluma ngoba ubaba naye bekangafuni ukuthi hakele ka harele kamo re bolele Sepedi o re ai ningazokwitiza la kusisema kwitizini then harele kamo go ga ntate mogolo ka vele na tlhaga ga mabiletsa vele so na bolela Sepedi tree
lena ganya
gore mama kwara a tlo diang mo wa bona kora ka ba ka so re godile re bolela both languages Sizulu le Sepedi so tse ding dintho gore o tlo phumelela ha tlo introduce ko bathong gore ke tsamaya le twini la ka kile twini tlhaloso gore yeah o Mopedi wa bona that's thing it sometimes kule industry to kusanobandlululo okwehlanga ukuthi wena ubani wakabani Khosi FM Thobela FM but I've survived that hayi ntse ke le Tutuzile bya
mara you know something ke kwang le bolla too much ke the challenge tja go ba categorized as mosadi intongo lengwe kore mosadi can never make it without people thinking or she slept her way to the top with every little achievement it is questioned or how why udile why do I get challenge if beside this ones or also you can expand this one or because you've mentioned I think 2 times already or so why and what is the challenge?
I don't know that mentality ezwang go bathong ba ga borena re bjang or how le mosadi in order to reach to the top you have to sleep with someone to go what in and ha re le batho a re tshwane and a ratla ka pitso e one e tshwanang wa bona so di challenge tseo re faceane le tsone ebile di fitile no bile kara ba sa lebella I think ina kwele ya rona ha re sa thoma or bjang or re sa le teng no because no re godile no a se kopane le tsona no tse bjano no ke Tutuzile nje ke ke Tutuzile nje
but then do you feel like where basadi ba lebeledi ba ka le tlholleng ka mo music industry?
Yeah, only that thing as ya gore ha o kena ko musicing ba shebile gore ish okay mosadi everywhere mare without beside music industry le ko meberekong that thing ya etsagala ke mentality e leng teng gore that thing ya etsagala gore ko mmerekong go tlo thole mmereko tsametse o etse so ko guy tshwantse gore o tlo thole a better position tshwantse o etse so ke mentality e ntse re godileng tse ile teng eo ene basadi gore wa bona gore ke gale ntse re tlhopega loko kukhulunywa ngokuhlukunyezwa kwabo mama dala sihlukumekezeka from dala le but kuya depend ukuthi wena ubani ufunani empilweni yabona.
Then after Jenia Matlakala Jenia Elisha ya mino
and then after Jenia Matlakala ka twe akitwenza ngelinye ilanga that ngelinye ilanga songona kubuza ka yona that finance ke athoma fela matla manje yo
o fetsa ke
ai wa bona re ntwe mena phela e kentšhelete diwe nana hanne ka teng o bona as ke tsholo re ula re ka khumbi ai Brenda Tutuzile and rekela sound system ya 25,000 ya gore ke etse di promotion gore he ba mpitsa Thobela FM ba re phala borwa re tsama ka khumbi o nela card o swipe ke swipe fela
Jo,
ke ya mmino
jo.
so he expected to that thing e tlo buya ka speed
a boneng yena gore e ka
I
boa
don't
so
know mtlha mna bona ba diopedi tse ko pele ko nna gore di le da
Like
ya
there's
phomelela bjanka
something,
because ke nako ele ne una le bo cool sport bo ing wa bona so nna ke kene nako e vele di company di thomo kwala ha ke thomo go tlhagella kere wa bona so that thing azanka gona ho ithola cause ke nako di company di thomo go kwala gore everybody tshwantse a ikemele by that time so ya ba gore yena ke no tla nkemelang ka nako eo then hoping gore maybe it tla berekega ya re pu so unfortunately it didn't wa bona so ke ga fela matla awa this thing I keep on popping out money out money my money doesn't come back I boy so and then ke ke tlo re ai ke bona re yo go etsa bya manje se go tlo thoma ipatalla ing we bona so ha re etsa that song ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela karazo ngasifele matla ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela of which nkisayibinele nna ke le one fela hore nkalele la matsatsi ke tla phumelela ke le gona le o motho o mong o shebaneng le situation e ke shebaneng le yona right now hona le motho o mong o ileng hore o tla phumelela ka this message ke tshong es ne re bolela ka Alex Rapetswa le wa bona so ke heketsa that song ngelinye ilanga mo ke ikemetse beno ke ntsha from my pocket ke kena studio ke tsa ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela byalo then ka phusha ka yona ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela and then awuna mo sa tlhagene polele gape wa tla ga polele do you know that song do you know ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela
a ke tsebe
a be
ke le ke after le tlo go matlakala kere this one a ke tsebe
ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela ngelinye ilanga by that time
yes
le matlakala ne se tsa
but
go
why
fetsa
a le ke le perform and then
and then tlotla ko
re tlo
yona
rutla ko yena yes
that time ke tlontsa ngelinye ilanga matlakala ne setse a tlhokofetse le yena go sa tlhole gona le motho o tlo nthusang gore kena ka mo wetseng a ke fetsa etsa that song ne ke bina from the bottom of my heart ke ka situation ne ke shebane le yona and I felt hore ha ke bina ka sizolo sa ko hae ke mo ke tlo kgona connecta teng ke tshong se ke batlang go se tsho ka that song then wa tla polelo yengwe with someone ang inboxa ke fan ya ka lena ang inboxa are yo ke utla pina ha ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela mara why u bina sizalwane
man
why u bina sizalwane wethi ne re ka utlwa better how ke be u bina sisiyona
why ba re ke sizalwane
I don't know ke rena how ke sizalwane byang ke zan ke rena nna ke tutuze a ke binele masiyone ke binela everybody ke batla the message iye to everyone I don't know but di mamzo nna ke batla go botsa gore nna ke o rata di mamzo ne but nka o rata better if o ka bina sisiyone sa kweno o tlwele o bina sizalwane so pila re sa tsebe gore pila batho ba batlang pila because how ubina se kwa back then ha kubina album tsele no hona le di-critics hey ubina ka re o wekisetsa Thandi o wekisetsa Magarebe so now this is me Tutuzile ke tlisa nna bo Tutuzile go ke re ngelinye ilanga nami ngizophumelela ka mo genreng ya rona that's joba ore a ke mane ke perform that song it's difficult to that song or isinke to bona kare they don't understand it gore wa bona because they expected for nna ke bine season ke ngwana ha ke
marrella moswana ke rella ke re
le alla ke bina ke ngwana ha la le ke bina sfela the way se le ka teng ke bina ngelinye ilanga but it's fine to difficult to really understand or ngelinye ilanga akere le batla creativity in that song there was creativity in that song but still now ka mo genre they don't understand it by understand I be like back ke bina happy ke bina le Ekurhuleni Gospel Choir ne ka corona kwa Ekurhuleni Gospel Choir ke bazalwane I'm the only Sion ko teng we know when I perform that song you know ngelinye ilanga ba mfila kaofela nka tsamaya ke tsama di gig tsa bona tsa ka kwa tsa ntwe bang invite special for that song so I ke tsebe hore ka mo I khono kenela pa gore ke siZulu or
ke Zulu di monate mos
ke
gona je di ntja mona
yeah we bona so I sometimes re ba confuse re sa tseba hore re etseng, what to do, what to re etseng or re ska etsang, because you seeing this, but hi mo why you bina Sizolwane eng. You seeing, okay, you went back to the roots, you or ke ngwana ha ba why you bina sifela se le bjalo. So
O feletse o di hanjwa wena.
asazi ukuthi nje
Mara wena o
yini.
feletse o di hanjwa.
Eh.
O feletse o di hang. What is your decision? You know what? Whatever, or like let me listen to this, or o feletse o berekile bang wena go le so.
Nna ke feletsa ka hore ke nna tutuzile, and then batho ba ka so rate kaofela, and batho ba ka so tlhoe kaofela, and then the message re di receive differently. So o reng yena ke ngwana how exactly as it is, yena o ibona ele bjalo, but to some people there it toucha ya ba toucha di soul tsa bona, some people there. So o ka se thabisi everybody. So bakhona laba bazojabula, bakhona laba bazokwenzana. Wena mina as well, you need to focus on what you're doing, and usitshela ukuthi mina ngize ebantwini ngiletha le message ebantwini, whoever othini lokho okwakhe lokho.
Be yourself.
Be yourself.
Focus on who you are.
Yes.
O tswele pele with
Because
that.
ka se no chincha o bine ka ba chinchise o tsene so sa tlholo o itse gore tshwantse o bineng phela manje, and o tsene so give up gore ke tla isang go bathong, and at the end of the day re boletse gore go batlega tšhelete ra ipatalla that thing.
Wena o bereka try everything ka tšhelete.
We try everything ka tšhelete, you try everything, but anyeke wamukeleke ngokufana esikhathini esiningi. Bakhona bazokwamukela, bateng ka mo genreng ya rona, not to say not everyone they don't understand that ngelinye langa song, bateng ka mo genreng ya rona ba understand that ngelinye langa song. Like for example, there is this queen of mine, Esther Monareng. Whenever Ankatama ka perform that song, she will call me, so yo my twin, umpisa my twin then, because re dintang. My twin was ba pina inkhupoza situation ene ke shebane le yona. So ha ke bina so ka hilega so not everybody ba tlo inka like comment o la reng nka o rata better if ka bina Sizone o tlo le bina Sizalwane, wa bona. So abantu sikuthatha in a different way. Bakhona bazok understand amawucula ka so, bakhona bazok understand amacula so, but the most important part kore I message maye ebantwini.
Our Khotsong gang, we hope you are enjoying the episode. Re leboga kudu for you staying with us and watching the episode up until this point. Let's go subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. Then, you had a friend that you plan go outstanding.
Zanele.
Monica.
Monica.
Le umo Scorpion. Le fitla jwa Scorpion lena.
Okay, go Scorpioning ha ntse ke tsamaya journey ewe bjalo ne ko kerekeng ke kenang. We were 6 friends. I had friends from Scorpion, le dichomi tsaka. So re bina ko kerekeng re le babintsi.
Level 6.
And not no 706 ne babintsi ne re 2.
Yes.
Then others gore ne re like ne re thusana like hard composer bina maybe re sa ko choir. Then re khona go romelana voice note or this week are kenye, or by that time no sena di that voice note.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, ne re kopana re practice re tsebe ka Saturday re kenya pina so. So
when is that time again?
It was 20 hard so much man, it was kabo before ibile ke record, I think kabo 19 ka 2000.
Okay.
Ka 2000 before ibile ke record na. So ha re tsamaya pleke le pleke go bana busy ba re tsaya tsena bo se sebenda go bona. Re di chomi ra para tshwana ra para di leather jacket re kentse di gold teeth re kentse di gold teeth
ke bana ba binoni
sithabo sabo sisibendawo masingena ngama leather jacket wabona ukuthi abangenile abo sisibendawo. So re thomile re le mo re opela re di chomi re tsamaya di vacation together wa bona. So ante ke a ke rena tsela ke khurile ka ibona ka
le design kit tsa mama tsa mampela
kana go ya bo zail kit. So ante ke tsamaya wa tsela ke tsamile ke le one pele hore ke bona, because of wa tsela o itsamaya le group mathata ke kopane le ona nkebe khale aba thubile khale because asiboni ngasolinye and arena di MC tshwanang. Ha ante ke tsamaya so ha ke tlotsa after ke fetso etsa
sorry ke le tsela live ke nna batho ba gona
ya gone ya mmino e gore
le mmino le tsamele le e gorile ra gore le tsamele yona pele before bona ba eta okay. Yes,
ke gore ke ba khoretse ka ba khorela ka khuzuka ka etsang ke le one kwa ka boya se ke boya ka ha e tlo thoma yona Matlakalana sa phela by that time. So Dumisa TV ne e batla ke go sa thoma Hulisani. Hulisani e batla di group tsa genre ya rona ya ntwe. So Matlakala mfonela re tshwini Dumisa TV e batla di group tse so a ke re nako ke solo e batla di group tse so ha ona group e tsebang ya Sione style re shoota Hulisani kresh ai ke tla bona tshwini ke tla boya back go wena ke bele ko ditshoming tsa ke re bagotsi wa itse Matlakala mfonetse ona this and that ya Hulisani re ka etsa bjang gore re ye kwa nako o tse re 6 and mo ba batla the bigger group the lady ne ke tsama le yena ke lena ha kwa o le ne re dikeletse letsatsi kaofela ne le memo wa Sunday school ko Kingsway ke bele ko yena Monica re batla so kopa o boye retse so Hulisani e batla group so Monica a re organizetse bana ba Sunday school bana ba Sunday school e batla tse that 6 ya rona I think re tla le Quantum re ye ko Dumisa nako a rena lebitso re eng re ye ko Dumisa TV re Whiteville Sisters ai re kene re opele mo le ko Hulisani ropele ke bo ke re maar this thing re ka igona mos wa bona hantse ba re interview mo le re re la ka tso re ka recorder as a group in mos this thing re ka igona wa bona ai re izame re etse album ya mathomo ya Scorpion I think ka 2016 eo re etse album re phela ka biketlo so that album before it's that album ha ntse ke le ko studio ke etsa a kena pela yono ke qoqa le producer ya ka ke re re tswa Hulisani so re tso kena as Whiteville Sisters so ene mar gona le ditšhomi tsa ka ke gale ke bina le bona ko kerekeng so ke nagana gore ha re ka etsa something like this a cappella group ya bomme wa bona o ka gona go recordisa na a re no ya o ka gona go recordisa a re ke bo mang ke ra ke Whiteville Sisters a re why Whiteville Sisters e tlo ba ka re le opella batho ba ko Whiteville fela wa bona so kgethang a unique name e leng gore e tlo gona go accommodate everybody ke moqoqele story sa rona ke re wa itse rena ne re le wa bona bo aus ba le ba di leather jacket tsama so go kerekeng hantse re tsamaya re ya ko mafung re kae ba re fa lebitso la re Scorpion wa bona ebe to be yeah why don't you use that name Scorpion it's a unique name it's not like barwetsana ba Sione magare ba Sione Whiteville Sisters using that name ke re yo that's Scorpion ba tlo re ke re ke ba botsitse we bon then ke boele back go bona re ke boletse le dubi gore re nahana re ha re ka kena kan re bone ko Hulisani re khonne re nahana re ka kena studio ra etsa so dubi a re quota gore ke ka studio tšhelta teng wa bona gore
a se di newbie e nya ka Ntatetalane
ya e nya ka Ntatetalane a sa le yo nako eno ka se Ntatetalane o tswe no le morwalo o molatele menge merwalo hape so we have to repop out majority ne le bana ba le ba sekolo ba senang tšhelete so rena re le 6 or joinile ke Monica o le 7 batho ba bogolo ne re se bangata ya ba rena re qoqelelang tšhelete ya re shapa gore re ye ko Dubi ne ra a ke re fela next ke tseba le di studio wa bona ka thola studio se sengwe se cheap ka mo Brakpan ra ya ko sona ra recorda ko sona re phela ka biketlo ko sona a record the quality
ya studio
ne se yona that quality wa bona hey guys ina ke re phela na se ke a tseba phela o se ke tswa ko Blue Black se ke boela kwa it's like ke boela mrao ke la bona ke boela quality ile ya ka ile ya mathomo ile ne ke la ka yona hey re tlo etsa bjang ke ra re I had to keep
recorded already wa
recordile
e fedile
e re tlabile manje re tlo etsa bjang ke itse ke boele back hape ko Dubi na wa tseba rena go re mo crossitse Dubi o boletse le re
a tseme go lile re ga gongwe
ke tla le yona hape ke tlolla hape ka nne re boletsweng hey Dubi ke re wa tseba ntse sa di group ne re sena tšhelete ke morapelo re Dubi nka se latlhe ke wena re gopele re lokisetse so bona so Dubi because of ke motho berekang le batho a zanga re ya wena boletse lena pele ka be ka o thusa ka re e feng lebitso le so wa ipona re botlhale wa tshaba ya kwa du qakile kwa you coming back to me boela mo no a re lokisetsa hona le pine ne re entse instrument ko yona a re lokisetsa pineng ya instrument e reng siku ri n'wana hosi Yesu ta hoya
yes
a re lokisetsa yona a itseye mo ele ya hae mo ya hae
Ya ba
shapo
yona.
ya ba yona ai guysini mara la ibona mara this thing mara ya pila no tshwantse re le ka mole ka re mo shitetse
quality ya cost pe
quality ya course re mshitetse tse bjang ene re ka se force go re go quality cause majority ke bana ba sekolo ra dula fatshe ai kore album eo ya re fetsa matla a sang re
why le fetsa matla ga ne dubi a se a ile go shika mo ka yona
no look say one fela pina
ke
tse
ne
ding
le afford-ang.
tse ding tseo ke yone re affordileng ra ile go tse ding tse ne re tshwantse re di thomelle fatshe the way ne di ka teng and official nako
Di sa lokisege.
ya ne re sa afford ra dula ge ha re dutse ga fitla king covid ya ka 2020 wa thoma covid everybody a dula go fatshe I think it's 2021 Scorpions billion in 2022 yeah
yes around that time
Yeah.
le dia show again
yeah
Yes.
so re ntse 2023
yes yes
ga gona le sisb re bana
re bana ke mo
ke re na bina o ntse ba from a sa tsamaya le matlakala na bina le aus matlakala so I think nana a bana le contact le ena hape ya Dumisa TV gape sisb ya mfounele mam D Whiteville Sisters e sa le teng na
yena o itse Whiteville
Whiteville Sisters
ga se le Scorpio no
Whiteville Sisters e sa le teng na
Eh.
hape Dumisa TV e batla choir
Bana ka
gape
mashole ka.
ko Ulisane
Eh.
wa bona re njalo re tsosa ke Ulisane hey ke tsebang thoma hape hai no sisb a ke gane re a isa leyo ya myang ke
e sa le
no
gona.
don't worry I'll make a plan
Eh.
okay ai ke tla utla ka wena sisd hey ke a thoma ke dula founung ke ba founela hape ke ba founela kaofela ke ba founela hey guys in ke founela chomizele tsa ka say 60 ke ba founela guys in hape king Ulisane e re batla gape so re tsa bjang a re tsogeng man guys a re tsogeng wa itse taba ya go re dule eng we bona so bana ba le ne re bina le bona bana se le basadi se bana le bana ba etsang re tlo etsa bjang then ko ba re ntse re bina le bona khwae di kereke di kwetse di khwaere di kwetse no batho ba ngata ntse re bina le bona khwaere ba teng ba sa dutse e re ke re founele bona ke re ba founela bo kaofela ba le ba batlileng no gore hi guys and are yeng so Ulisane so luckily ha ke ba founela re ke ba a re kopaneng ladies re kopaneng ha shemba ba positive ka everybody now metse choiring by that time a ke ra o bine choir o bine next so ne re o metse that mmino kaofela rena ra kopana ra ya Ulisane ya ba go tsoga ga rona go fitleng ga rona Ulisane a ra bona mosamos no re thotse dikakapa tsa basadi a re sa bina le bana no we can stand no we can stand now then we started there and then ra etsa ge okay are no re basadi ra bereka kaofela re ka afford to be no
ya
o sana gore gona le bana ba sekolo eng a re kopantsheng basadi reng ko tubi bathong ga re batla equality thing a re yeng ko tubi re no so ra kopantsha ra kena ko tubi a ra ntsha bona lefatshe ra ntsha le king humming ne trend ye hama
yes
aye hama mama ya a ka bona ra I know a kere everybody omile everybody a go kerekeng everybody ometse that mino ke ge ir se phagama mo then there is this person le no ile nga re thuso re se phagame a o skhonila mola nana le that king Facebook live ya high
yes
kere ke na lo bolela le yena a o skhone ke na le ntho ke batla go utlwisang yona o se utlwile mara Scorpion ke eng tut kere tla go utlwisa ka mo romela pina tse tu a re le tlile ka ntho engwe ya matla yong kopa go le invite ko live ya mo Facebook a re okay it's fine no one ka go bona o tsebore batho ba they don't understand anything about music ling ka guys Khonila mola ne ke bolela le yena o re gopela gore interview go live ba bane ba Sanderson hai Khonila mola o re isa kae
ga le bona bona e be le go diang ka
a bona ne rometse choir nje gore bine choir nje ya
ba recorder go no ba le CD not go ba artist
wa bona
me ga se ba artist
so ke re Khonila mola ke re no guys re ka se gane Khonila mola okay Khonila mola ke artist ya gale so le nna ke artist ya gale but fan base ya Khonila mola e feta fan base ya because nna ga ngata ke mmerekong a ke be fast so I think a platform ya Khonila mola e ka gona gore kuka gore batho ba bangata ba gone gore tseba to be honest batho ba bangata ba re tsebile ko that life ya Khonila mola even le khomotso o re bone ko that life ya Khonila mola ha re bona ko live-eng ha ntsa commenta mo ka mo gopola ko jengwana o na bina le rona choir ko Whiteville and na bina soprano ka ra man a ke rena soprano rena re godilenyana we still need the fresher soprano kane wa bona e be re approach mo gore ai can you come and join us a be a re o tlatla wa bona so ke gore joina ga gae mo ga re bona ko live-eng ya Khonela mola a re joina mo ha retsa so she was active a ke rena re ma PPT ma born before technology
till 2000
yeah so she was active ne ke mona ko di TikTok ko influencer ka re ke rata the way we active ka teng ko TikTok you can help me to push this because nna ke le wane mo gong ke apalla cause sometimes tshwanetse ke be mmerekong and nna ke le mmerekong ke sele dilo di a ema still so I need someone who ka re thusang ka marketing as only influencer ko TikTok gore re gone go phagama ke re bona se re thomile re phagamile ko kgona mona so ha ka thoma ra kena TikTok ke gona re gone go phagama from mo so ra sa thoma ra gone go phagama from mo ge
hello mara nte e botse ka re ke bona le go bola ka ena fatlisa se a tuma se a laita like you look excited
Correct.
go bolla ka Scorpion gore you look happy go bolla ka
They are my
Scorpion
babies. I've developed them, and I'm proud or I've developed them. I get enough by profession. I'm a ECT practitioner, early childhood development.
yes.
So I believe or kiba developile, kiba goga, ba etsang kiba developile to be where they are today. I'm proud to say that I've developed them.
Jalo go senya ke because you are I hope everyone will wonder you are still excited go bolla ka bona you look happy go bolla ka bona because it was exciting to you that period of your life. You sound like it was something that you were enjoying to do. You were happy. Why would something as the way you happy ka gona, why would you now stop? It's a lot no so.
Okay, as ke le motho o berga mo tsholo no
Yes.
so it had to ke deploy ka 2023 I was deployed in Musina for 6 months ke tlo boya ka April yeah ka last year
Yes.
2024 last year ne ke tlo boya last year ka April so ka deploy mo so ho deploy ha ka it doesn't mean hore no tshwanetse ba yeme le nna no a ke re ke kwaere gore ba ska ema tshwanetse be active that is why ke le ka batla momo gore a tlong assist gore ha ke seyo I know gore if yena na seyo ha ke seyo ne ba yo thola ba yeme le gore then people ba le gape ka gore hona le Scorpion so I knew gore na tlo ba active gore le ke seyo etseng okay so I ke developer then they ba recorder siliba le ho morapela the trending song so ha I recorder ko Dubi se ke ntse ke le kwa ko deploymenting so Dubi unhappy fa tlo release I think it was March yeah and rumela yona bona as Dubi ke rutse bana ke neletseng gore kutlwe gore e byang is it fine so han rumela ibile gore ne re thabile kaofela ko Bangalo gore ke iletsa re bina kaofela ke yo this is nice Dubi but ke gopela o lokise mo the soprano is too high kopa o phakamise first tenor and then we se ko dimnyana e balance se soprano gore go ska utlwala soprano ga go o lokise 1 2 3 1 2 3 a ke re o romela kona pele because eng we bona so ke rumele a fetso rumela ke rumele ko groupong wa bona a ke fetso e rumela ko groupong ke re yo nice song ladies I'm so proud of you yo this is nice to be on rometse this song but ke moditse gore a lokise mole soprano it was too high a phakamise first tenor gore e balance se the soprano gore e tlo ba balance pina kaofela but oh I'm so proud of you this is a nice song ha ke fetso e rumela bjalo ke momo I delete ko groupong so ha I delete ke re ha momo o delete lang a re no ke delete la gore bomme ba ka tlo thoma go share to everybody of which the song sa ilokisa I so release you
But it was a valid reason.
yes
Yes,
okay
yes,
no
yeah.
it's fine it's fine yeah it's fine ke understand kan excitement
Yes.
because le night a fetso e thola ka ba excitement mara a zanka I share ne
senda.
ke le re na le speaker ke no
Ba
iletsa
dlala.
rabina yo ya ba mnate wa bona so batla ba ka no ba I share tsholo se itletse hante I so release
Yes, yes.
okay it's fine okay it's fine o tlwala I right yo it's a nice song wa bona but okay madam re nahana go I release pina ka no it's fine I releasing because re ya go Good Friday ke think it was ka 29 tsa March
Okay.
Ka re e release because of it's fine or release right now because re ya ko Good Friday the message it will suit the mood ya nako eo wa e bona
yes,
it will suit the mood ya Good Friday or hey everybody ke be re ya moria ke be re sang I'm sorry to mention
and still ke be sanga
yeah wa e bona so it's so fine that government for
Yeah.
them so it's fine to release it the more nice ke a dumelana le yona okay fine okay how after then Oma a boye back ko nna re no madam re nahana hore re a re fetse release re etse music video wa bona so
why are they telling you what are you at that time ku group ngani leader what are you
I was the leader ke re
Oh,
ke
that's what they always tell you or we are thinking of this and
yeah
this. Yes, okay.
wa e
Yeah.
bona so ke re ko madam no madam go release I don't have a problem with release but go etsa music video ke na le problem because while isang kemele kan ke a boya next month releasang pina and then music video re etse re le kaofela ke buile wa e bona so go bana le misunderstanding mo ka music video wa bona ra ska bana le utlwisana hai why so re khone record o seyo why re sa khone etsa music video o se teng ke re no ha ba le recorder ke seyo it doesn't mean hore maybe I was not part of it akere you know hore ke ko merkong and it's like le bontshitse ke re go tubi ke guy so music video ha lo tlhagala mo everybody ne ba ntseba ke ba ntseba ke le mo ko teng batho ba tlo thoma go butsisa hence ba ile ba butsisa gore how tutu o guy le thomile lwana na wetseng to avoid that nkemeleng ke a boya next month ba bona so ra ska understandana mo gore ba nkemele ke a boya for the music video yeah
Then what? Then then why little tlhokana? Why can't you say okay, I will be on the next music video then?
no the way mantsu a nena tswa ka teng a mang ne le mantsu a botlhoko gore eng hey o mongwe Magdalena re tutu re lokolle ngwana makutulela re itiele re nya go bontsha batho ba gore khwairi a sia tutusile re kgathetse ke batho ba re ke khwairi ya tutu ye ke khwairi ya tutu ye re nya go prove a point wa e bona so ntwe le ntula tlhoko most batho ba I take them as my family on the other side ba batla prove a point go bathong for eng point ya eng ke nkile ka bolela ka re ke khwairi ya kana I didn't mention to anyone hore ke khwairi ya ka eng so amang a mantsu a ne ba na once someone tse re bolela na le botlhoko and by that time I'm away from home we la bona and go botlhoko bjang go ba away from home go tla ka mo na le di family problems ka mo ke shile mama o founa ye ke kula ngwana go tla nthola ke tlhokofetse gore o na le mathata and then ka mo ba thoma go stressa then I just left the group ka tswa ko group chatting gore go bane le ya WhatsApp because no be go shape 12 of shiu ntse re phigisana ka ntho e one wa bona ntse re retsang wa re for peace sake re kitswe on the group chat because ke tlo lose focus and more when away from home you need to focus anything can happen there gore mo we between re fika dithunya re fika re ko hlathing gona le dinoga gona le ditshweni ka mo ke di stress ke dilo go phone wa e bona so ka left the group and then go left a group chat it doesn't mean good I was leaving the group gore eng ka re no ke tla ba bona ge ke fitla na bona
Mara, did you communicate or I'm leaving the group chat but I'm not leaving the group?
No, I just left the group chat. But una le ba ne ke gona bolela le bona ko site no guys ke tla bona bila ha ke fitla bona. O fiti ha ke fitla. There was gona le ba ne ke bolela le bona re Dukes o buile he so manje o tla ning meeting ing wa bona. So yeah.
No mara tabela in the gap. Then lena ka gore le a tseba gore ga se le itlogile you just left the WhatsApp group then why le se tlhole sa ba go group no
so ga bana le vula manqeba
sorry
so
the thing is just that you know they've been talks go Facebook baba mariso and then I think
I've never shared my side of stories
yes I think people will actually deserve to understand we are not saying talk bad about anyone else your side of the story just to make people understand why you are no longer part of the group because it is kind of some jealousy because we were not part of the song now o feel okare ai e rekitwe mo bona. So it is up to you now to layer gore
okay
what really went down.
so ha ke boya he and then ntse ke communicate gore okay ha ke tla meeting re this thing re bolele re shebane ko matlhong wa bona re lokise and then it happened gore go na le king on the online stores ne go na le tšhelete e tlo kenang from ko online stores I get
For which one?
for
which song? For which
I think
album?
from
previous
Lefatshe ling yeah.
Okay, yes.
So ne tlo kena from online store. So I ke na ne ke di register di spina tse le ding.
okay.
Obviously when they communicate ke di bona di emails mo.
Eh.
So then wa kena email e tshong gore go na le the money to be rented. Then the money was going to be deposited into a certain person account. Wa bona. So now I've asked for how can the money it deposited go bank account ya go personal account ya motho because ke tsamaile re butse bank account so why is kene go
the group account
go accounting ya group wa bona because I ke ya group in so the person ankaraba gore why you trying to kene guy when you've left the group in
o le guy wena na go
re bolela ka email
okay
re bolela ka email go emailing ya mo the guy bara aibo guys this is not a platform for you to fight now I was just asking about the money I was just
okay ke mabola so
ke momo
oh yes okay
momo
yes,
are hey why wena o batlo tseba gore chelete e kene ko kena guy because when you've left the group no I didn't leave the group I didn't hand in my resignation
actually,
I just left the group chat
I was asking gore ke mang a reng you guys are not supposed to be talking on this platform
ke the guy o submittelang ko ntwe go online wa yeah
okay na alring all why little about this here okay
so no I was not fighting I was just asking her why chelete e kena ko ntwe go personal account is a kene ko group account that was what I was asking then ke na le right gore ke botsise because a ke re lena ke tlhaela ko emailing and nna ke tsebe gore ke chelete ya dipina tsele from Lefatshe eng wa bona so not to say gore ne ke batla that chelete e o ne le chelete nyane gore
oh you are just asking why then now
wa bona so which means I kena ka mole abare why batlo tseba gore chelete kena ka because when you've left the group car no I didn't left the group I didn't resign from the group I just left the group chat wa bona so go shore lena le feditse ka gore ke tloile ko groupung ke tloile ko groupung that is why le chelete le decide gore le kene ka so it's fine then go bana le dikgogagogane so a ke motho le dipolelo so I just not wait again to do which means this thing it was planned so just let it go
mara ke ka mo mra gore a ke be botse gore a still botse when you are leaving the group you just left the WhatsApp group then there was never a point where you were saying let me go back to the WhatsApp group WhatsApp group before the khogwane jewe before khogwane cha email yes as long as o nyaka go boela back to the WhatsApp group because maybe it would have cooled down balabala jela chakusha
no I no nalo o ne ke communicate ene I wanted to before ke bela ko WhatsApp group ke fitle a ke ra kopana re bana le di meetings then ke fitle in the meeting re bolele that thing re ra
o buile ka mo South Africa
yeah ke buile
yes okay
le that time ne ba tlile ko wena mo podcasting ne ke ntse ke le teng mo gae
okay
so ke tlotla re bole re dule fatshe re bolele then re lokise that thing then re boele re be sharp so dipolelo tse ne di tlhaga mo le re wa bona eng tse nka se dimensioning a kere ha ba bolela ka mole wa tsore ha ba bolela ka mole tse ding di a fitla wa di utlwa le wena gore ba re 1 2 3 1 2 3 so ke re wetseng ke khale ke sokole ka this thing so ke ba godisitse it's fine ntshengwe le ngwe ena le nako ke nako gore es ba ile ba re re lokolle re itiele so which means ke nako gore ke ba lokolle ba itiele
sure o feel very about Slebala or Rapela because it has blown, which is a good thing. How do you feel about it as a song, as an outsider, before with you being an ex-member of the group?
That song is a nice song.
Yes.
And it accommodates everybody. Hence, I was the first thing it was saying to Van Romela Yon. But back and they don't understand. But it's taking later, Moloko Pangalong, everybody was dancing. Everybody was dancing. e kgothatsa everybody le nna ne ya re kgothatsa kaofela and ne e sa kgothatse nna as ke le part of the group or wa bona so e kgothatsa everybody. That's a beautiful song, a nice song gore message ya teng o nabile je o mosione o mopostolo o eng o nabile message wa teng.
All right, and then as a ex-member of the group, how do you feel about it?
No, I don't have
Yeah.
nna ke motho le mmino then a ke kgethe mmino gore ke kgetha eng I'm happy for them. I'm happy. I like the song. Le bina le ko ntlong ra e bina le bana ba ka. Yeah.
That is very good. Would you go back?
I'm not sure.
But then that tells me you are open to going back, which is a very good thing. Are you open to going back?
Ntho le ngela le nako maybe ne na ke re ntho o etsa maybe ne le na ke re ntho una le period ya gore no o etsa mo wa bereka mo o fitla mo o bereka mo o fitla mo so a ke tsebe I cannot say gore o a nyaka ke sa boela eng a ke tsebe gore modimo mpetseng ko pele maybe in future o ka no bona ke betsa gore how o tututse wena nyaka tlo boela eng. I'll never say I'll never
but when would you like to when
ke bana baka
but that I answer
ke bana baka
would you like to go back?
nka boela ke bana baka
iseng le ka boela na when would you like to go back?
no ke sa ba file nako.
But what would you wish gore go direge before o ka boela?
A re ka itukisa bo rena pele ra itukisa di keng ke tla re keng yeah but sizilungise ubuthina kuqala then we are not perfect akere re batho are perfect. Sometimes o phela le batho for a long period. You know those 6 women I was telling about, we've got more than 20 years friendship. Re phela kaofela re tsama di vacation kaofela re etsang so sometimes bathi umuntu lala phenduka ne ha re ka itukisa rena bo rena lerato le ne rena le lona e be lerato la nnete go ska ba gore maybe re batla go provelana di point or re batla go a ke tsebe re batla go etsang eng so ke lenile gore in along the journey re tsamaileng ne re di chomine mare ne re sina lerato lele la nnete gore ka re mo gong mo ne re pretendelana of in order to achieve something ka ntweng a ke tsebe re understand yeah so ha re ka itukisa rena gore rena bo rena re tsebe gore pila re eme kae I think yeah so o ka chomana le batho ganti maybe batho ba batla whatever ntho e batlang akere so once they've achieved that ba bona a o sale ntho hence the person o ilareng re nya go prove a point re nya go prove la batho gore a se group ya tutu she happened to be my best friend gore na I take her as my sister all along from 2000 till now hanti yena o shebile gore ke fitse gore na san rati the way she wanted something from me we bona ke sa tsebe gore ke be ya wrong or ya
so but then if legati fixa that includes you as well like that's already it means you as well, you and them legati fixa la fase la bolela it is something that you can consider going back to Scorpio because like I was saying like your face light it was bright like you were smiling. It means the memories of the time of when it was starting they still live within Kamole because they were good times. And like you're saying you were part of the 6 and you were very vital in Ausmatlagala saying you guys regarded something where Kodumisa Sister B which Esalogona Kwayana I get it. So it will be nice. I think people will also love that to
that's why we are not perfect ha re le batho ha ona motho perfect re na le diphoso kaofela but diphoso di aya di lokisiwe and then re tswele pele ka life I want so some ha re ka tlola ntho re bolayang no gore re na le pride kaofela yeah re na le pride kaofela
a uno anya ka go ba bigger man
yeah re na le pride kaofela I have my own pride le bona bana le pride ya bona gore a nyeke re tle re mmitse back gore eng wa bona kaofela re na le pride sometimes ar ka tsa pride ya rona ra bela sighting and face the reality maybe dilo di ka lo
why o sa push ya go side wena no
ke tseng
o push pride ya go side like o bolela gore both nice. One of you guys will need to push her aside. Unfortunately, it has to be one first. It cannot be both at the same time, as you know. It has to start from someone else. It could be their side, it could be your side. Why is it your side?
ntho engwe le na le nako maybe nako a e so fitlhe tla fitlha nako hence ke le re I was communicating with someone hore ha ke tlo tla meeting and then ra boledisana le tsona. You know what happened to her ba mo koba ko khwae ba re o nthuthela ditaba ke la bona. So which means there go na le ditaba tse kgolo tse ke sa di tseng tseno wa di bolela wetseng which a ke batlo di tseba o kwenzekile ke fana nokudaliwe. So o bona re ngwana mo ba mo kubile because of yena na khona bolela le nna gore a re kopaneng so gore ke eng ne e fitlhiwa e kana wa bona. So ntho engwe le ngwe na le nako maybe it will happen modimo ha ratile ke tla boela ha o ratile modimo e se ka thato ya ke le ka thato ya modimo.
Mara at this point, on this very same day, if someone will ask you or basadi bas kopini ke ba umo, what would you like to happen ke eng ka ratang le bolla ka yona o ka rata go direng?
Re ka dula ra fixa dilo
What are you fixing? What are you
e
fixing?
dirwa ke batho akere phoso e dirwa ke batho ne taba di senyega ka molomo di lokisa ka molomo. So even our producer he's been trying hore a kopantshe re dule fast because ya to go tshore na o di next open ke steba ka wena engwe bona wena are you willing hore le dule fast le lokise whatever ke rena I don't have a problem if ba dumela I don't have a problem hore re dule fatshe re lokise dilo kere at the end of the day we are preaching the word of God. So re ka se re ka se re baka ka taba ya lentswe la modimo. What are we bringing to the people of which rena re tla be re ngapana on the other side re batho re tla ba fodisa byang rena le di hidden agendas wa bona. So now I'm willing, I don't have a problem. I'm willing to fix.
Okay, I hope le bona they are willing to fix because pride never fixes anything. It keeps on in bereka utshua why nje go tshetse pen mele gore it is a point of no return. So I hope you guys find a solution. Maybe just a 1 minute message to them, to the ladies. The stage is yours, the camera is yours. I can say the camera key. Anything that you would like to say to them.
No, they must keep up the good work. What they are doing is very good. But ba etse that thing ka lerato ba ska etsa hore maybe ba batlo provela motho point. No, this is about gospel, and the gospel it's a good news. We must bring the good news to the people. So if we bring the good news to the people open heartedly re butse dipelo tsa rona. So forward you go, girls.
Okay. Message to everyone who's following, who has been supporting you. Mr. Talan.
Mr. Talani ke mleboga haholo because I am what I am today because of yena a sa fela matla ke sentse tšhelete ha e ngata hey tšhelete ha e jile but a sa fela matla but mo a fedile matla teng wa tsholo re le nna se ke na le tsebo se ke na le lesedi ke a kgona ikemela le nna ka ntho nna rata gore ko nna ntho ke ratang ka wena tutu kore you don't give up. You keep pushing le lo re nna ke re a ke na tšhelete because this thing ke how I rat a ke emele yena gore manna from heaven, there's no manna from heaven. So le nna ke answer from my pocket to push gore ke tswele pele. So go ba latedi ba ka ke leboga le lateletse from khale ba bang ba thomotse ba no le wena o thomotse ba no ene khale ke le teng ha utlwa history gore ke motho wa khale ke khale ke le teng ke khale ke le teng ke leboga. Keep on supporting me, keep on supporting Mmino wa Sione. Yeah.
Yes. All right. I would like to thank you. I enjoyed sitting with you. I really had a nice time sitting with you. I hope what Tolwana will enjoy knowing you as Mama Judy, that they've known separate from Scorpion, and also your journey with Scorpion. And also I hope soon we will see you with Scorpion now, because now I'm all about people getting along. There is no victory in people fighting, especially where we are. I don't think all of you will be proud to stand in front of your God and say, "Oh, we are fighting, and it is because of this and this and this," and we are the same people whom we think you have trusted us with your message to give to people, but right now we cannot use the same message to build the same relationship that we have or we have had, but we are busy preaching to other people to fix their relationships with their friends, with their families, with their partners. But us ourselves, the carriers of message, we cannot use the same message. So please find a way. This goes to the ladies must copy and learn. Guys, find a way. The tabadichwa gumlumu, as mama the dobleji, the logisha gumlumu. Pride never fixes anything. It just keeps on breaking, and it gets to a point of no return at some point, and then you look back and see, Tori, where did we even go wrong? Was that really small thing something that was worth us getting to this point? So please do it and fix the tabajalena. Mamdu, again, thank you very much. Mdimu alokeleje, mdimu alisheleje, hohle mo le yangona, mdimu abelelena, lega mo mino, mdimu al direga ologa. To the criticism they have built you, I see. They have built you. The criticism I see, they have built you. But also to the criticizers, let us be cognizant of understanding what we are talking to people where they are the same people as us. Banale bana, banale the family, banale busis, banale bubuti. Sometimes it can do more damage than you think it is doing. Thank you very much.
Finally, we don't want peace.
It's all my God. Finally.
Finally. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, to everyone. Please
subscribe.
Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you.